So this is actually a wooden crossing bridge. It's a bit scary, bearing in mind it's quite old and anything can actually happen. So you just need to be very, very careful. You need to be very careful. And actually it's also a very good place to actually do your fishing. It's a nice spot.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kitale Nature Conservancy Part 1. So in this vlog, we will be taking a nature walk at the forest. So just at the entrance of the forest, there is illustrations of the Bible verses.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm currently at the Kitale Nature Conservancy, or you can even call it Ndura Park, here in Kitale, Trans Nzoia, Kenya, Africa. So right now I have decided to actually walk through the forest. It's a bit scary, but anyway, we have to dare. So what you just need to be careful because of the the mud. So it has been raining all through. We have River Nzoia just here. I will just show you. Behind me is this one is actually going to connect to River Nzoia. So you just need to be careful because of the mud and also because of things like the snake. It's a forest. But so walk with me as we walk through the park and through this forest. So this is the river that connects to River Nzoia. So this is actually a fishing spot. Anyway, I didn't carry my hooks to actually do the fishing, but anyway, there is actually fish in this river. As I told you, this river goes and connects with River Nzoia, and then it will actually go to Lake Victoria. So this is actually a wooden crossing bridge. It's a bit scary, bearing in mind it's quite old and anything can actually happen. So you just need to be very, very, very careful. You need to be very careful. It actually it's also a very good place to actually do your fishing. It's a nice spot. So continue walking with me through this forest. Yep, sir. Okay. I like those sounds of the birds. Wow. I don't think you can walk alone in this place. A picnic site. Though we have a lot of flies here because of the water, and also it has been raining all through. Sawa. Yeah. So how will I be able to cross from here up to the other side? Don't know what I'll actually do to be able to cross this place. The road is blocked. As you can see, this river has actually been able to, it's actually blocking this place. It has occupied the whole area. You cannot be able to pass. But anyway, I'll just try my level best on how I'll be able to pass to the other side.
Finally, I was able to cross to the other side, but unfortunately, I fell down. Yeah, I fell down. Luckily, I was able to secure my camera. It was not damaged. Anyway, I cannot be able to display that video because I really fell down. So unfortunate.
Hey, I just spotted a mud fish. There is a mud fish over here. Wow. Mud fish. So this mud fish was actually trying to cross. It has been pushed by the water. It was trying to cross from this side to the other side. I think it was during the rain season, but unfortunately it didn't survive. And as you can see, it's like someone has just stepped on it accidentally. Oh, unfortunately unfortunately you cannot even save it. Yeah, finally I'm out.